take care and have fun with your Beanie Boos on a wikiHow tutorial. I saw this from Hasa, so shout out to her. And I think this is going to be really fun. So let's get straight on the video. Let's go. First, we have to pick a Beanie Boo.
I'm taking care of this big beanie.
Okay, Tino, you take care of that big Beanie Boo. Okay, we're going to reach our hand into the nice, good, big pile of Beanie Boos and pick one. Find it. Okay, I guess we're taking care of this monkey.
Let me go get my fish and my fish.
Tambu. Okay, Tambu.
Okay.
I guess you're our
I'm back.
subject for today.
Something.
Oh, okay.
I got
So, let's start with step number 1. Alright guys, so I'm out of that bathtub of Beanie Boos. And as I was saying, the first step is to check the Beanie Boo's heart tag, which this guy does not have. And see its name and read its poem. And you can change its name if you want to. But since he doesn't have a heart tag and I don't like his name, your name is going to be Bob. Say hi to Bob, guys. Hello. So, let's move on to step number 2 now that you have a great name. Sorry about the background noise. That's my siblings in the bathtub of Beanie Boos. But the next step is to choose a personality for your Beanie Boo. It can be funny, shy, active, or bossy. Okay, guys, so this is going to be shy and bossy. Does that sound good with you? Actually, I'm very kind and funny, and I got the best student award in my class. So, yeah, whatever. You're shy and bossy now. Buy you a friend. I have just the Beanie Boo for you. My rabbit named Beanie Boo. Here you go. Be friends, guys. Beanie Boo, meet Bob. May you guys be best buddies forever. Provide your Beanie Boo with a sleeping place. I have just the place for you. There you go. Good night. Next is to make it some food. I have exactly the thing I want to make it. I decided to make you black soup. Here you go. Hope you like it. Come on, eat it. It looks great, right? It looks great. Eat it. Eat it. Isn't it so delicious? Thankfully, the next thing is give your Beanie Boo a bath. Okay, this is gonna be great. Let's go. So it says lightly dampen your Beanie Boo. I think it's already a little too late for that. Have fun. Yeah. Here you go. Have a nice time. See you in a bit. It never really gives any instructions on how to dry your Beanie Boo, so we're just gonna dry it like. You want the blow dryer? Okay. So I already dried him a little bit with a towel. Now time for the blow dryer. Bob? Bob, you okay? Bob? Next, to make your Beanie Boo accessories, I have just the thing. Next is take your Beanie Boo on vacation. I can't go anywhere, so we'll have to find some other way to have fun. have a party. This is gonna be great.
Treasure chest.
Happy birthday. No, these are mine. Happy birthday. Have a sleepover. Since I'm filming with my phone, I'm gonna use my sister's phone. Or iPod. Let's call her.
Actually, let's put it in the thing.
Hey, Chloe. So, I'm using Rain's phone for certain reasons. I'm filming a video. And I'm doing this tutorial of how to take care of your Beanie Boos, right? And it said I need to call you and ask if you have any Beanie Boos so my Beanie Boo can have a sleepover.
Yeah, I have a Beanie Boo. Bring it over.
Okay.
Here's your happy present. Yeah, Chloe. Next, it's on her birthday. It's on her birthday, right?
Okay, so this is my Beanie Boo looking glorious, as you can see. So, yeah, they need to have a sleepover sometime.
Yeah, and then this is my happy present right here.
Okay, we'll have a sleepover. See you later.
And I have
Bye.
a happy birthday. Happy
That was
birthday to
crazy.
you.
That was crazy. Okay, you're having a sleepover this weekend. Isn't that great? Okay, let's move on to the next thing. And last is to have a huge amount of fun and continue playing. So, let's go. Finally, done with you. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. And again, shout out to Hasa. She's a great channel. She's really funny. So thank you for this idea. And if you want me to do another Beanie Boo video, then leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time on Honest Crazy World. Bye!